So to begin, I'm going to start off with freshly washed hair, and then I'm going to moisturize it, starting off with some aloe juice. And since it's going to get a little messy, I'm just going to add my cape on. I'll put the link below where I purchased it from Amazon. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp and then add some hair butter from Your Hair. I really love this hair butter. It smells so good and it keeps my hair moisturized for days. So I'm just going to take just a little dab and I'm going to rub it in my hands and do the prey hands to moisturize that one section of my hair. Then I'm going to follow up with the Curls hair serum. Really love this stuff, and do the same thing. A little dab in my hands, prey hands, and then last but not least, I'm going to follow up with As I Am Grogurt. This video is not sponsored at all. These are just the products that I love putting on my natural hair. After finger detangling, I'm going to twist my hair up and I'm going to repeat that whole moisturizer process throughout my whole head. Now, if you're doing this hairstyle on your own, I would suggest using 2 mirrors like I'm doing right here. That way you can get your parts nice and neat. And after parting my head, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make individual boxes and I'm going to twist my hair up, because that's going to be the base of this style. When parting your hair, I like to part off center from the box below it. That way your twists fall in between your parts. And if you're wondering what I'm talking about, I'm going to show you here. I'm going to part off center. As you can see, the box underneath is directly above that part, and then I'm going to twist it up. Once I'm done twisting my hair, I'm going to go ahead and crochet my twist, or the crochet hair, into my head. The hair that I initially started using was this corkscrew hair I purchased from the beauty supply store. The reason why I got this is because I really wanted my passion twist to be long, because obviously that's what passion twists are. And this hair actually comes in 18 inches. I sorted out on my thread rack, but just to tell you guys, I really did not like this hair, but I continue to just show you guys the process of me doing it. Eventually, in the end of this video, you're gonna see me change it up and actually take these twists out and actually replace it with some spring twist hair. But the same process like my spring twist tutorial, I'm going to take that crochet hair. I'm going to hold my natural hair down as well as one end of the crochet hair, pull it through, and then I'm going to use my natural hair plus the 2 ends of the crochet hair to braid my hair first, and then I'm going to twist all the way down. Now, since this is the bottom portion of my hair, which tends to be a little bit shorter, I braid just a little bit further down so the crochet hair doesn't slip out. But once I start getting to the longer section of my hair, I'm not going to braid as much, but I'm showing you guys a closer view. I'm taking my natural hair plus 1 end of the crochet hair. I pull the other end through, make sure it's nice and even. Then I take my natural hair and then the 2 crochet sides, and then I braid my hair with the crochet hair down to just about, let's see, 4 or 5 braids down. And then once I'm done doing that, then I'm going to go ahead and start twisting it. Again, like with the back of my hair, the nape area, it's a little bit shorter, so I braid it down just a little bit more so that it's nice and secure. Once you're done with the back of your head, now it's time to cornrow the front. So I'm just going to show you just a quick way on where I started my braids. I started from the center, and then I worked my way towards the outside. These clips are going to be short because I did take these twists out and redid it, and I'm going to show you that more in depth, but I'm just showing you guys just how it looked initially when I put these corkscrew braids in my hair. I did initially do the feed-in method, which I really didn't like too much. I felt like it took too much time, and since the front of my hair is a little bit long, I really didn't need to do the feed-in method. I could have just braided my hair and then added the extensions at the end, which I'm going to eventually show you guys once I show you me redoing the hair with the spring twist. So just keep watching. So as I stated to you before, I really wasn't happy with this hair. It was a hot tangle mess, guys. So I would advise not purchasing this hair at all. My twists kept sticking to each other. I just didn't really like the way it was. So I went ahead and purchased new hair. I purchased this hair from Amazon. I will link the store below. It comes in a 4-pack. So I got 2 of the 4 packs just because I wanted my twist to be longer and I wanted to make sure I had enough hair. So this is the way the hair looks. It comes with some instructions on how to use the twist. It also comes with these clamps and some hair jewels. So I took the twist individually out and I put it on my thread holder just so that it's easier for me to apply it. I'm going to unravel each twist and then I'm going to take 2 and make it into 1 because I want it to make it nice and long. So I'm going to make it uneven and I'm going to measure it against my body just to see how long the twist will be. Now after taking out the old hair, I'm going to go ahead and add the new twist into my hair using the same method I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, and that is basically just crocheting your hair into the braid and then braiding it down, and then once you're done braiding it down, you twist it up. Another way that you can interlock the hair so that it doesn't fall apart is by not unraveling the end of the spring twist and just linking it together, interlocking it together. That way when you're crocheting it, the hair doesn't come apart. You're gonna hold your natural hair. You're gonna pull that spring twist in the other side while holding down the other side. And then you're going to braid your natural hair plus the 2 ends of the twist together. I'm just making sure that my braids are nice and even before I start braiding it. And then I'm just gonna braid my hair. I like to make sure that it's nice and grip at the roots. And then once I'm done braiding down a decent path or a decent length, then I'm gonna go ahead and start twisting it. This process does take a while, but I think that it helps keep these twists in for a very long time. And now I'm gonna actually show you guys how I braided the front of my hair. I'm gonna re-moisturize my hair only because prior to me redoing these twists, I did wash my hair, so I needed to add the moisture back in it. So that's what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna take my edge control. Now, a good tip when you have really short, fine hair in the front like I do, instead of trying to grip it by braiding it, I like to twist my edges first, and then once it's nice and twisted, it helps alleviate the stress on your temple area. Then I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair. I'm gonna braid my hair down until I get almost towards the end of the braid, and then I'm gonna add the spring twist into my braid. Now, this was so frustrating. You're gonna see me just literally just failing here, and I wanted to keep that clip in. My hair kept tangling with the spring twist. I couldn't get a good grip. It just was a hot mess. So to let you know that it's not always perfect when we do these tutorials. Yes, we edit it out for your pleasure, but sometimes it's a struggle. So I'm just showing you guys how well the spring twist is blending with my hair, so you don't have to do the feed-in method all the time. If you have a good length of hair in the front, you can just go ahead, look at me, so frustrated. You can just go ahead and just braid your hair down until you get almost towards the end, and then start to add the spring twist in it. And then once you finish doing that, you just braid it down just a little bit more, and then you just twist the ends. Now, when twisting the ends, a lot of you guys are concerned like, oh, won't the end of the spring twist stick out when I'm twisting? Just when you're twisting it, just keep unraveling it and smoothing it down as you twist along, and then those short ends will definitely blend into your twist. I'm going to repeat the process again, taking the next braid out, adding some moisture to my hair, moisturizing my natural hair, adding some edge control, twisting my edges up. Once I get it nice and twisted up, then I'm going to go ahead and cornrow my hair. After cornrowing my hair, I'm going to add the spring twist to the end, making sure that I braid just a little bit, and then once I'm done braiding it just a little bit, I'm going to twist the ends. So I'm going to stop talking right now. I'm going to have you guys just take a look to see how I braided the front of my hair, and then I'll be back with the end results. So here's the finished results. I really love this style. The style took me about 5 to 6 hours to complete. I love how versatile it is, and I love doing this crochet method because it's not tight on my hair, causing stress to it. You can do so many different looks with it. I've gotten so many compliments, so I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This is basically a remix to my cornrows and box braid video. I decided to add some passion twists to the back instead of box braids, and I'm just going to show you one of the embellishments I purchased from my beauty supply store. You can wear it as is, or you can just pull it through and then pull it out, and then you have that nice cute embellishment. It's just like pow. So I really like this look, guys. I'm sorry if this video is too long, and if I didn't answer any of your questions, you can leave them below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.